This is a beautifully restored 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. This is a original silver smoke gray on a red interior car. Just a beautiful color, very rare and seldom seen. It's even got a red pinstripe that matches the interior. This one's pretty special. This is a D-code 289 4-barrel 4-speed. It's got upgraded power steering. Also has a hydraulic clutch as part of the 4-speed, which feels really nice compared to the old style. You can decode this tag, and that'll verify everything I just said. But just beautiful buckets with the console, red interior, just really nice. And this is an early car. This is a 64 and a half technically. They are all 1965 as far as the title goes, but it is an early car. And I'll show you a couple things under the hood that differentiate it. This thing always fires up really nice and easy. I had it going already, but still really nice and easy. Pull out the e-brake. Wipers work nice. Got a horn. Blower motor. I can feel some air blowing up here, and these all rotate really nice and easy. Then, see in here, you got a little cubby. I know this radio worked. I just don't know how to turn it on. Not getting the radio to turn on at this moment. Glove box is nice. The entire car has had a lot of restoration work done to it over the years. It is just in awesome shape. You can see the courtesy lights have been upgraded to a LED, which is cool. But this interior, everywhere you look, just really nice. Now, it's the little details. You can tell they had this whole car apart when they painted it. None of the door latch hardware is painted. Same with the latch over here. It doesn't have any paint on it. Kind of nice the door shuts. Body gaps are on point. Love the wheels with the Redline BF Goodrich radial tires. That is really attractive. Looks like a 2013 date code on the tires. There you have it. There's your 289 D-code 4-barrel V8 engine. There's your GM style power steering pump there with the lines that go directly into the gearbox back there. You can see you got dual reservoir power brake cylinder there. So you got power front disc brakes, rear drum. There's your generator, 12-volt generator, which you would find on an early 64 and a half car. Along with right here, these are different. And then this is also 1964 specific, the way this bevel's right here. Engine sounds really nice and tight. See just a little touch up right there. A little touch up right there. Paint and body, just absolutely stunning on this car, as you can see in this video. I mean, it is as good in person as it is on this video. I mean, the body gaps are really nice. This body's really nice and straight. See here, the trunk lid winds up nice. Might be just a little high there on the quarter right at the end. Not terrible though. Same on this side, just a hair high at the end, but not much to really pick at there. If you're interested in this silver smoke gray 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe 289 4-speed 4-barrel, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have about 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. And if you have any more questions, scroll down. There's a link in the description. You can find the price there, all the pictures, undercarriage photos. And if you want to make an offer or will have more questions, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks, folks.